How to fix your connection is not private error in Google Chrome. So if you want to fix your connection is not private error in Google Chrome, then first you need to open up your Chrome browser. Once you open your browser, you need to go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon. Tap on the settings. Under your settings, you need to go for privacy and safety. Under privacy and safety, go for clear browsing data, and then you need to choose the time range for all time or 15 minutes, 24 hours, 7 days, whichever you're comfortable with. So I'll be choosing last 7 days. And then you need to tap on clear data, which is on the bottom right, and then tap on clear, and you need to clear the browsing data. So this is the first step. And once you've cleared this, now the second step is you need to scroll down and tap on safe browsing. And under safe browsing, you need to choose enhanced protection. And once you've chosen enhanced protection, now if you go back and if you go to the site which you're not being able to log in, for example, if you have an option of your connection is not private, and on the bottom you will have two options, which is back to safety and advanced, right? So you need to simply tap on the advanced, and once you tap on advanced, you need to tap on proceed to the website. And once you tap on proceed to website, you'll be able to enter into the website. So that's how you can fix your connection is not private error in Google Chrome. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.